What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. What we have for you today is a tempered glass screen protector for the OnePlus 6T. We all know that the OnePlus 6T has the in-display fingerprint sensor, so you kind of got to be careful with what kind of screen protectors you buy. I know they just officially announced a OEM one from OnePlus. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and see what this one's all about. This one was on Amazon. It's a 2-pack for $7.99. It's not too bad. Orzero here. Let's go ahead and crack this open and see if it's gonna work with the OnePlus 6T. Bam, bam, and bam. Now, once you do install the tempered glass screen protector, it's recommended that you re-sync your fingerprints again, reprogram or resync. So this one doesn't look too bad. It looks pretty high in premium. I think it's full adhesive. It looks pretty good. It already has something there. So let's go ahead and prep the phone here. I am going to leave the case on just for aligning purposes. Let's go ahead and get this little cleaning supply here. Bam. Dust removal stickers, little microfiber cloth, and your alcohol pipe. Oh, but before I do that, we gotta take this one off. And this one is kind of hard to take off. There we go. Bam. Off. Off. Let's go ahead and get this alcohol swab here. I like to dab my fingers in alcohol just in case I touch the display before I completely lay the glass down, and that prevents it from getting all that oily smudges on there. So let's go ahead and clean that right up. Let's go and dry that right up. Nice and clean. Now what I do is get this air in the can and just kind of like to blow it so we can get any dust there. Then let's get our dust removal sticker and give it a quick run through. Everything seems good. So let's get our tempered glass screen protector. By the way, this feels premium, so it doesn't feel too bad. Let's go ahead and remove it nice and, oh, you see that? I got a little dust there. Let's go ahead and gotta be very careful with these. Let's go ahead and place this on there. So I'm just gonna align it with the notch there, and yep, it's fully adhesive and it's taking to the screen, as you can see right now. So what I'm just gonna do this and run this all around the side so we can get any of those air bubbles out. And for the majority, if you get some moisture spots or some air pockets, give it about 24 hours, mainly 48 hours. After 48 hours they tend to disappear, and if they don't disappear then you know it's a bad one. But some of them take a little bit longer than usual. But actually this one's not a bad looking one right here. It's fully adhesive, as you can see. Let's go see if it works. And it works, and I didn't even have to there you go. It works perfectly fine. Let's try it again. As you can see, and it's case friendly. This is the TUDIA case, Arch S case. I'm loving this case. Very slim profile and protection, has the right protection you need. So there you have it, guys. This is a 2-pack Orzero tempered glass screen protector for your OnePlus 6T. So if you just got your OnePlus 6T and you're looking to protect that screen, don't fear. Buy this one. It's actually pretty good. $7.99, that's $8, 2-pack, so that's $4 a screen protector, which is not bad. Available with Prime shipping. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.